Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Codeigniter 3 with Hmvc. I am Chris and I must start by apologizing for not uploading videos for the past few months. I have been working on some few projects that have been consuming my time, and I've also been finishing up my schoolwork. So today we will go on from where we left, and I would like to teach you on templates or templating with Codeigniter with Hmvc. First of all, we would like to know what a template is. A template is basically something that is shared across multiple things, per se. For example, I'm looking for, say, a site. What site can I use? A very common site. Okay, look for photography websites, and we can get one here, squarespace.com. That's okay. So I think this has a template-ish, I guess. No, not at all. Okay, for admin dashboards. Yeah, this makes sense. So admin dashboards, and yeah, let's come to Bootstrap. Oh, by the way, you can go to Bootstrap and get very beautiful themes or templates. So if you like preview this, I always admire this. I haven't bought it yet, but I think in the future I will, if at all they'll still be around, that is. So I think here we have an empty page. So here, this is basically the template, because this is shared across all these other pages. For example, if I go to layouts, see, this is maintained, this here, and the sidebar. So basically we don't want to keep on repeating all the time, coding the whole sidebar, coding the whole top bar, top navigation bar. Yeah, basically there's some things that can be shared. So today I'm going to teach you how to do that very simply with Codeigniter, and I think it may be a two-part series just to make this video not too long. So first thing you're going to do is that we are going to create a module that we're going to call template. So create a new folder and call it template, and inside it I'll create 3 folders, one called controllers, the other one going to be called module, and the other one is going to be called views. So the controllers, we're going to create a new file and I'm going to call it template.php. Oh, sorry, I'm just name that very quickly. PHP. Yeah, there we go. So we are going to create our module, our controller. And in our previous class, we had said that we created a new controller called my controller, which is inside the core. My controller extends MX controller, which is our Hmvc controller, main Hmvc controller as the parent. So if I can just change that to PHP. Okay. So the template is going to extend that controller, and we're going to get the constructor. Yeah. So once that is done, we're going to create a sample template function, the function that's going to call the template. So we're going to call it sample template, and it will take a parameter called data. So you already know, I basically assume that you already know how to load views with Codeigniter, and there is nothing different here. So here I'm going to make it can take null. So for now, just for now, because it's a sample template, so we're going to say this load view a view that's found in a template called sample template _v. So we are going to create our view there, sample underscore template underscore v.php. So here we are going to have just a simple line and say this is the main template. Okay, so that being the main template, you are going to pass the data here. So if we go and test sample template, oh my goodness, I forgot to do something. I did not start up my server, so I don't know, can you, if you just give me a sec, we'll be back shortly. So once that is done, we will come and test it out with Codeigniter up for me. If you're using localhost, just use it the normal way. It's nothing any different. This just, I'm using Laravel Homestead. So if you want to also know how to set up that, please comment down below and I will make a video of that. So so it's going to be index.php, and we're going to go to template, and to go to sample template. Line number 8, line number 8, line number 8, line number 8. Oh yeah, we didn't, of course we didn't do that. So yeah, so it says this is the main template. Okay, so we will create we want to do this maybe say with the home. So maybe the home is different, and maybe say we have an about page that is different. Okay, so I'll head over to my home module and create a new template, sorry, a new view, and call it home underscore v.php. Okay, so here I'll have just simple text and say home template. Okay, so that being the home template, just call it the home page. I also create another view just for the sake, and call it about underscore v.php, and here I'll just surround the 3 and say this is the about page. So the good thing about modules and templating with Codeigniter is we can basically share modules across the whole application. So in this case, we want to share the template module. I created this controller called my controller. I had explained it before. So here I'm going to have this function, this load module, and inside here I'll say template, this load module template. Yeah, that's it. Once you already have that done, you come back to your home controller, and at the index page we'll say, for example, we'll say data. Here we'll put content underscore view, and we point it to home. Sorry, home underscore v, and here we'll say this template sample underscore template, and pass the data into it. I want to rush this so that we don't have a problem, so I'll call this about, and here it will be about underscore v, and yeah, so we'll come back to our sample template underscore v and basically load the content view that you have passed in it. Like for example, we passed the data array that basically carries the variable that you want to have in the view. So here we passed the content view inside the array, so it should be able to check and get every single content view whenever that specific function has been called. So this is what I mean. If you come to index.php, then say home, which is basically the index, it will tell you home page. But when you come to home and you go to about, tell you this is the about page. You see, we still retain this is the main template, but then we have that view down there. You see that? Okay, so in the next episode we'll do something different apart from templating. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment for any suggestions that you have, and I will see you for the next one.